Wireless home security cameras offer seamless installation and flexibility, enabling users to monitor their homes remotely and receive real-time alerts, providing peace of mind and enhanced protection for their loved ones and valuable belongings. In this video, we'll take a look at the top best wireless home security cameras that are available on the market today. We've carefully put together this list of featured wireless home security cameras based on market research, including customer reviews and feedback, that offer the most value for your money. For more information and the latest prices of the mentioned products, you can visit the links found in the description box below. Now, let's get started. The fifth product on the list is the LoveYou 4-piece security camera home system. The LoveYou 4-piece security camera system is an indoor home security camera system that provides 1080p resolution and advanced IR night vision up to 33 feet. With motion detection and two-way audio, you can keep an eye on your home and communicate with anyone in the room. The cameras work with Alexa, iOS, Android, and web access, making it easy to monitor your home from anywhere. This product is ideal for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable home security camera system. Up next in fourth place is the Wyze Security, eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. This wireless home security camera system is perfect for those who want to keep their home safe without the hassle of cords or wires. With a 180-day battery life, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging the cameras. The cameras record in HD 1080p and have night vision capabilities, so you can see what's happening around your home even in low light conditions. The system is also IP67 weatherproof, making it suitable for outdoor use. Plus, there are no monthly fees, so you can enjoy peace of mind without breaking the bank. The third product on our list is the Casa Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera. Keep an eye on your home or office with the Casa Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera. With 360-degree horizontal and 113-degree vertical views, this camera is perfect for wide-open living spaces. The camera also features motion tracking, which allows it to continue tracking activity until it has stopped, even if it's out of the camera's normal view. The Casa Smart app allows you to view live video from anywhere and even stream it to any Alexa or Google Assistant-supported display. With sharp and clear 1080p Full HD video and night vision up to 30 feet, you'll never miss a thing. The second product on our list is the Blink Outdoor 3rd Generation Security Camera System. The Blink Outdoor 3rd Generation is a wireless, weather-resistant HD security camera system that provides peace of mind for your home. With a 2-year battery life, you can trust that your camera will be ready to capture any activity. The motion detection feature ensures that you receive alerts whenever there is movement detected. Setting up the camera is a breeze and can be done in just minutes. Whether it's day or night, the infrared night vision allows you to monitor your home in 1080p HD. The Blink camera is ideal for those who want a reliable and easy-to-use security camera system. Number 1 on the list is the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Plug-in Smart Security Camera. The Blink Mini is a compact indoor plug-in smart security camera that provides 1080p HD video, night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio. It's easy to set up and works with Alexa, making it a great choice for those who want to monitor their home day and night. With the Blink app, you can view live streams, customize motion detection zones, and receive alerts on your phone when motion is detected. The Blink Mini is ideal for those who want a simple and affordable home security solution. So, there you have it. This concludes our list of the best wireless home security cameras on the market. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. To see more about these products, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.